Here I come with a 8-minute booty workout at home. No squats, no lunges, no jumping. These 5 butt lifting exercises to strengthen your glutes at home without weights. Add this no equipment booty workout to your weekly fitness routine. This booty workout at home includes 5 set of exercises you can do to strengthen your glutes without any equipment. Strong glutes can reduce lower back pain and improve hip pelvic stability. I suggest adding this glute workout to your pregnancy or postpartum workout plan too. First exercise is donkey kicks. This targets glute maximus, the biggest glute muscle. It also works hamstrings, lower back, core, and shoulders. This is a safe alternative to the squats. I have done 20 times with the each leg. It is very convenient and travel friendly type of exercise. You can add a band or a weight to increase the resistance. The exercise I am showing is beginner friendly exercise. If you are doing for the first time, listen to your body and take a break whenever you feel tired or stressed. Now I had taken a 20-second of a break. It's not recommended to work on your legs every single day. It's important to give your body time to recover between strength sessions. Most of us spend far too much time sitting down. I get it. The glutes are an ideal cushion, but that's not what they are designed to do. Our next exercise is 5 hydrant with full extension of a leg. All exercises begin with a kneeling on the floor. Both your hands and knees on the ground. Knees directly under your hips and hands directly below your shoulders. Keep your back and neck in neutral position. Keeping the knees in bent position, raise your right leg out to the side and extend your right leg fully until your thigh is parallel to the floor and slowly return to the neutral position. Complete the desired number of repetitions. Then repeat the exercise with your left leg. While doing these exercises, keep balanced pressure in the hands. Do not lean over to either side. Keep the elbows soft and look down at floor to maintain a neutral spine. You can feel now your glutes, outer thigh and outer hips. Now take a rest for 20 seconds and focus on breathing. The fire hydrant exercise also engages your core muscles to keep you stable as you move your legs. Take a rest and be ready for our next exercise, which is rainbow leg lifts. Rainbow leg lifts are an especially well rounded butt exercise because they have you moving your glutes both up and down and back and forth. You work all 3 glute muscles, that is gluteus medius, maximus and minimus. Start with kneeling position. Straighten one leg out to the side. The tips of your toes are touching to the ground. Keeping your core tight, lift your straight leg up and around in a rainbow arc behind you. Try to keep torso and abs tight in a whole time, so only your legs are moving. Touch your toes on the other side behind you to complete the rainbow arc. Then bring your foot back in a rainbow arch to the starting position. That's one rep, one side. Repeat one side, then do it again on the other side. Rainbow leg lifts activate muscles that are not normally targeted, especially if you sit down a lot. To make the exercise more challenging, you can try doing it on a box or a bench, or add ankle weights or a resistance band. Now, I am doing the modified donkey kick exercise. I had taken the right leg up in the donkey position, hold it, and then kick back to the butt. The same exercise we have to do with both the legs. This will help to improve the hip stability, which can reduce the risk of hip injuries and improve movement efficiency. These are low impact body exercises that does not require jumping, squat or running. It will help you to open the hip joint so that the angle between your pelvis and the thigh increases. The best exercise to tone the inside of your thighs is this also can be modified with weights and the belts. Now take a rest for 20 seconds. Our next exercise is tabletop elbow leg lifts. Start in a tabletop position with elbows under the shoulder and knees under the hips for the beginner. I just wanted to try this in advanced mode, so I have come in the elbow position. Engage core and keep back straight. Lift one leg, keeping it straight off the ground as per your range of motion. Then lower. Repeat with the same leg and do it for the left leg also. Wow, we did it. 5 booty exercises in tabletop position complete. You should be feeling that burn. Remember to stretch and take care of those muscles. Thanks for sweating with me. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more workout content. See you in the next video. Thanks.